Abhishek, let's tell our viewers the breaking news coming in. Supreme Court has issued a notice to Kuldeep Sengar. Abhishek, the Chief Justice of India says legal issues require consideration. The judges of the High Court have been some of the finest judges, but we are all prone to committing errors. We worried a constable shall be a public servant under the Act, but a member of legislature will be excluded. And on the basis of this, the top court of the country has now issued a notice to Kuldeep Sengar. They've said in this case, this person is in jail. Is this a media trial? His lawyers asked. Breaking news coming in. The Chief Justice of India says issue a notice to General for CBI and seniors for the convict. We find there are various substantial questions of law which arise. Counter to be filed in 4 weeks. We're conscious of the fact that when convict is under trial being released, such orders normally do not be stayed by the court without hearing people. But they stay the Delhi High Court order. That's the big news coming in. Let's break that down for our viewers. Break it. The Delhi High Court order has been stayed. Break. Delhi High Court order stayed. So the Delhi High Court order has been stayed. They have stayed. The Supreme Court, seeing the voice of Republic, seeing the voice of the people, has said we stayed the Delhi High Court order and respondents shall not be released pursuant to the said order. That's the big news coming in. All right, first coming in on Republic TV, we're telling you viewers, the Delhi High Court Chief Justice of India, giving out that interim order, has issued a notice and said, we heard Solicitor General for the CBI and seniors. They're going to be asking the reply in this case in the affidavit by Kuldeep Sengar to be filed within a few weeks. They said that he's under trial and therefore he's not going to be released. They've said, but due to the peculiar facts of this case, when the convict is also convicted for a separate offence, we stay the operation of the Delhi High Court order dated 23rd of December, and therefore Kuldeep Sengar will not be released pursuant to the said order. This is the big breaking news coming in. And let's tell our viewers that even though inside the courtroom, let me also tell our viewers, there is a lot of talk about the media that's happening. Someone is talking about what is circulating in the media. And I do presume this is the lawyers for Kuldeep Sengar. And I think Mahmood Pracha, the rape victims survivors lawyer, is also standing there, who's also talking inside the courtroom. But there seems to be a fight that's broken out between the lawyer for the rape survivor and the lawyers for Kuldeep Sengar.
Yeah, so
please.
Kuldeep Sengar is not coming out with them. That's for sure. The order has been, Delhi High Court order has been stayed. It's a major victory for Republic Media Network. It's a major victory for people who were protesting. It's a major victory for activists who had come together to support the victim. It's a major victory for the fight that the victim has really shown, and despite all the adversity that she has, faced over the last few years. The fact that she's still in this winter chill, came out and sat through day and night since the verdict of the Delhi High Court or the order of the Delhi High Court, and has continued to protest and keep the attention focused on the case so that it does not go off rudder and below the rudder in terms of attracting the attention of the lordships. And now it seems that bit has been achieved with the Supreme Court putting a stay on the Delhi High Court order. But of course, the Supreme Court goes on to say that a response has to come from Sengar also. That's of course procedural. So a notice has been sent to Kuldeep Sengar to reply as to why his bail order not be cancelled. So in a way, the order is not cancelled, the Delhi High Court order. The order is merely put in abeyance and a stay put till the time that the Supreme Court hears the whole thing afresh, possibly with the Delhi High Court order under review by the Supreme Court of India. Chief Justice of India saying, very, very unfortunate. We are not sitting in ivory towers, and people people try to take political advantage, don't try to browbeat the system.
Shift to a
Just
That's right.
because
Let's
some
tell our
orders-
viewers. Yes, let's